Hey everybody, it's Eduardo, and today I'm here to teach you how to schedule and automate your posts on Instagram. So, I don't know about you, but for me, one of the most time consuming and frankly just kind of annoying things about having to manage my Instagram account is figuring out a system to remind myself of when I need to post. But not only that, having to take out my phone frequently, write out the caption, upload the photo, and do everything else I need to do in order to post consistently on my Instagram accounts. The good news is there's a way where you don't have to do that. There's a way where you can plan, schedule, and automate all your Instagram posts so you can save yourself a whole bunch of time to spend it on way more important things than posting on Instagram. Being able to do that has actually been the main reason why I can manage all my accounts. So I wanted to make a video to share with you how I do it because I've just found it really helpful and I think you will too. So here's how I schedule and automate all my Instagram posts. So this is an example of how I schedule and automate all of my posts for my account. All you need is a schedule and automation software. I use only Pult, but there's several good ones. I'll include those in the text of this video. You'll also need your photos. I've created some photos already and saved them in order. Keep in mind I created these with my differentiation and my grid layout in mind. And you'll also need your captions, which I also created previously. Again, keep them in mind, I always want to communicate my value and differentiation. Now, to schedule the post on Only Pult, you'll go to Add Post. And in the screen, you just drag and drop your photos here. Once the photos are uploaded, you'll see them in order in which you drag and drop them. And now for each post, what you'll want to do is add your description, add your hashtags in the first comment. You can select your date and time that you want to post, as well as crop and tag them here. Let me show you how I do it. So I already have the caption of my first post here. Copy paste it in. Do a bit of formatting. I also have my hashtags, which I'll include in the first comment. I already prepared them here. Place 5 to 7 of your most accurate hashtag targets in randomized order and number in the first comment of every post. Once I have my hashtags, I can crop. So it tells me to resize the image, which is fine. So I can crop it to 4:5 format, which usually performs the best. Save. I can also tag it here. I'll tag our personal accounts. So you search for it, shows here, and tags it. Once I've tagged everyone I want, I'll save and exit here. Everyone is tagged, the photo is cropped, description is in there, first comment is in there, and finally I'll select my date and time. I'll do a Tuesday at 9. That's usually the best time for my posts. You'll want to test different times to see which is best for yours. And then I'll repeat the process with all of the other posts. Once you place the captions, the hashtags, tagged and cropped, and set the time of posting for all of your posts, you can hit schedule. And now all of your posts will show up in the order that you want to post them in. And what's great about this software is that if, for example, you want to change the order of your posts, like I realized I don't want this post to be here, you can just move them around, save changes, and it'll change the order of posting for you. You'll also be able to see how your Instagram grid is going to look ahead of time, so you can make it as visually appealing as possible. And that's it. In a few hours, taking into account creating my photos and my captions and then scheduling my content, I've done everything I need to do to make sure my content will be posted in a visually appealing way without having to spend my energy making sure I post at the right time, because the software will upload it for you whenever you schedule it for. And you really don't even need to check your phone if you don't want to. And that's how I plan and automate all my Instagram posts. It's been a lifesaver for me, so I hope you find it helpful. And a question that I often get about the topic is people asking me if they're putting their Instagram account at risk by using the third-party tool that I mentioned in this video. Technically speaking, no third-party tools are allowed by Instagram, but I've been using this one for more than 5 years. Nothing has ever happened to my account. I know a lot of people that use it. Nothing has ever happened to their account, but I can't guarantee you that one day Instagram will decide to crack down or not on this software, so there's always a very small risk. Although I believe that there are third-party tools that are a lot more harmful, so Instagram is a lot more likely to prioritize those instead of this one. If you want a super safe option, there's a similar tool in the Instagram Creator Studio, which I'll include a link to in the description of the video that'll help you with that. But in my very personal opinion, supporting this software by spending my money with them and not with Instagram or Facebook is simply my way of divesting from Facebook. Facebook and Instagram is a monopoly. They already hold enough power in my opinion, and they're known to be bullies when it comes to third-party tools. So I'd rather support a tool that has been really helpful for me and spend my money with them and not with Facebook in this particular case. But that's totally up to you. And the important thing to remember is that automating your posts is going to be super helpful to save you time and just give you more time to spend on more important things than posting on Instagram. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know which topics you'd like me to make videos about in the future, or just give me some good old feedback, which I find always super helpful. And thank you again for watching. I love making these videos for you. Bye-bye.